Hey everyone, here I am again documenting my one wheel ride. I had no intentions at first to record anything because, as you can see, it rained just minutes before this ride, and I was annoyed because I literally left my place like 15 minutes ago, and I didn't think of checking the weather because it looked too sunny. Didn't look like it was going to rain, but it did. So I rode for like 15 minutes, and then I had to stop somewhere just to wait till it start raining, and so I could start riding again. So as you can see, it was drying pretty quick, but it was still wet, and I had no fender. I had shorts, and I could feel every little rock hitting in my leg, and it was, my shoes were so wet, my socks, and as you can see here, my shorts were really wet. It looked like I peed on myself. Some nice people walking by, enjoying the afternoon. Some people going home after work. These two guys noticed my camera, and I think she made a comment on the board. I just didn't hear anything because I had my headphones on. And the reason I changed my mind and I wanted to document this ride is because first I had my 360 with me, and then the lighting was good, and there was no sun, so I will not see the shadow of the pole attached to the 360. So I thought it would be a good footage, and I think it did turn out pretty good. At this point, I just want to get back to my place and keep working. Prior to this ride, I was working, and then just wanted to get out for a bit and distract myself. I went a little crazy on these movements that I did on the software. I hope you guys don't get dizzy. I was a little afraid. I think it's because it gets really wet, and the footpath was like really wet, and you kind of get a little worried about water going in, and as everyone knows, like electronics and water don't go well together. But yes, because if that were to happen, I would probably nosedive. So yeah, I think I risk a little too much sometimes. But anyway, I rode this boat too many miles, so I'm pretty confident. Like it was like a good batch that I had. want to start getting overconfident riding, but I think I can have a good feel of the speed. It felt good with the breeze after the heat. It was a pretty good ride, except for the little rocks that kept hitting on my calf. And also I literally just washed my sneakers the day before, and they were really clean, and I completely destroyed them after this ride. I also didn't want to go back home in the Uber. I think I checked and it was like $14. And I was like, no way, I'm not going to pay that for like short distance, literally. Yeah, I'm glad it stopped raining, otherwise I will have no choice but to take an Uber. But yeah, I think I had to I dried the my board with the hair dryer, because I was I was a little worried, because I tried to avoid riding in wet roads, but yeah, it's fine. I rode again the day after, and yeah, no issues. Scooter guy in action next to me, and I wasn't racing him, not at all. It's just that those scooters go slower than the one wheel. I think the scooters are 15 miles top speed, and when I normally go 18 miles, so yeah, it just slightly faster, which is good, because I don't like going behind them. I don't know if you can see all the dirt on my calf. It's gross, I know. Oh well. And the funny part is that I don't even know why I removed the fender. I just did, and it was my first time that I wore shorts, and this happened.
Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Get you $1 or something. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Get you $1 or something. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Get you $1 or something. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Get you $1 or something.
So check good afternoon after the rain. I love it. Oh, and the fenced the Logan Square because for a festival, so we had to go around. Such an amazing feeling to go around all these cars with so much confidence, knowing that the board just responds to what you tell it to do. You don't even have to worry about thinking where you want to go, you just do it.
Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Dollar or something. Get you $1 or something. Something. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Dollar or something. Get you $1 or something. Something. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Dollar or something. Get you $1 or something. Something. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Dollar or something. Get you $1 or something.
At this point, I'm reaching home pretty soon, in like maybe 2 minutes. So yeah, I think I'm going to end this video. Till the next one.